In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of setting up automations with ClickUp efficiently. ClickUp is a powerful tool for task management, and understanding how to use its automation features can truly elevate your workflow. Let's begin by accessing your ClickUp dashboard. This is where you'll have a clear view of all your lists and tasks. From here, find the option to add a new column. Adding a column is essential for integrating new functionalities or data fields into your project management setup. Once you've added a column, go ahead and type in time. By doing so, you're setting up a specific column dedicated to tracking time estimates. This is particularly useful for those projects where time management is crucial. Next, click on the newly created time estimate field. Here, you'll be able to specify or adjust how long you expect each task to take. Clicking on the field once more allows you to further refine these time estimates, offering greater precision in your task scheduling. Now let's move on to the automation part. Click on Automate. Automations in ClickUp help you to save time by reducing repetitive tasks. When you click Automate, you are presented with various options under the Trigger tab. Triggers are the conditions that will start an automation process. Following that, select a time relevant to your project needs by clicking on Select a Time. It's here you can type in specific time frames that are applicable. After entering your time, ensure you click on Add. This action confirms the parameters you've set and prepares them for integration into your automated sequences. Once added, it's time to click on Create. This initiates the automation process with the triggers and specifics you've defined. Focusing on adding automations, click on the option labeled Add Automation. This allows you to build upon your existing processes without having to start from scratch each time. Revisiting the time estimate field, click there again. This time, you'll note how it fits into the broader automation process, ensuring tasks are matched with the right time expectations automatically. For the final refinements, type in the number of hours you anticipate needing for a task directly into the relevant section. By detailing these hours, ClickUp will automatically monitor time allocations for you, streamlining how your team manages time-sensitive tasks. Through integrating these simple yet impactful steps into your ClickUp setup, you can ensure a more organized, timely, and automated workflow. This allows you more flexibility and efficiency, significantly improving your project management strategies. Keep exploring the automations and customization options ClickUp offers, and you'll find that it can adapt perfectly to your team's needs.